power up beyond what we've done, connecting with a deeper part of me.
And you are Sirenix fairies now. Enter the infinite ocean.
We did it, Winx!